So today we're going to be looking at XRP. We're going to be analyzing it, and I'm going to explain to you right now why people tend to have a negative perception, a rather unfavorable view of XRP, when in fact it's a token that's poised for a massive surge. And as you know, for me, the chart is always the ultimate guide. It's what dictates my decisions. And right now, as you can clearly see, it's showing red. And then people are messaging me saying it's going down, it's plummeting. But just to help you truly grasp how trading actually functions, you really need to zoom out. Take a step back and look at a larger time frame. So today, I'll be analyzing XRP. I will show you why I personally decided to invest in XRP. And then I will tell you with a reasonable degree of certainty where I believe it's headed. Not necessarily to buy, for that purpose. So what you're seeing here actually is the Crypto-Quebec indicator, all right? And if you switch your chart time frame, I can explain to you exactly how it operates. You see here, this represents the Asian market session. This segment here is the European market session, and this part right here signifies the American market session. We're pushing upwards, we've just touched the upper boundary of the channel, and we're currently bouncing off the midline of the channel. And my current projection is that we will attempt to reach that upper resistance again. So let's transition to a larger time frame, and you can start to see the broader picture emerging. You simply cannot, when you observe a chart that looks like this, definitively claim that it's bearish. It's really not bearish at all. We're seeing upward momentum and then another push upwards. We're observing the structure within. And now we've just formed a wick touching the middle of the channel, indicating a potential bounce, a double top formation, a pullback, all in accordance with the Crypto-Quebec indicator. A bounce